Curl Defining, Repairing Shea Butter Shampoo. Deeply hydrate and repair curls. This 13 fluid ounce bottle of Maui Moisture Heal and Hydrate Plus Shea Butter Shampoo quenches and nourishes dry, damaged hair for soft, touchable curls. Nourishing Curly Hair Care. Ideal for tight curls, our repairing shampoo is suitable for daily use on hair that is normal to coarse in texture, and is also safe for use on color-treated hair to help hydrate for a healthy-looking glow. Unique blend with aloe vera. The rich blend of this restorative vegan shampoo contains 100% aloe vera as the first ingredient, along with nourishing shea butter, coconut oil and macadamia oil. Not all moisture is the same. The gentle and nourishing formula of this sulfate-free surfactant moisturizing shampoo is vegan, free from silicones, parabens and mineral oil, and contains no synthetic dyes. Deeply quench, nourish and soften dry, damaged strands to get your hair back to looking healthy with these blends with creamy shea butter, rich coconut milk, and pure macadamia oil. With shea butter, coconut oil and macadamia oil. Helps to deeply quench, repair and soften dry strands. Leaves hair looking and feeling soft and hydrated. Sulfate-free surfactant hair care system. Made with 100% aloe juice as first ingredient. Top reviews from the United States. Best shampoo ever. It's cheaper on Amazon than buying one in a store. Love it.